chocolate shake body butter is meant to be used externally on the body. We first start off by melting the shea butter inside of a crock pot until it's all the way melted on the low setting. We have to make sure the shea butter is all the way melted. Then we add our oil base to the melted shea butter, allowing the oils to melt and blend into the shea butter. So we mix everything together. Make sure the oils and fats are breaking down and blending how it's supposed to. Now we add in the fragrance part of the body butter. In this case, we use chocolate fragrance oil. Everything's organic. After we add it, we mix in everything. Make sure it's blended. After that, we put the melted butter into the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing it to harden slightly. Then we take the butter out the fridge and mix slightly. Now, we add the oil that will make it buttery. In this case, it's grapeseed oil. Now whip until we get the consistency we want, adding more oils as needed. You can see how the consistency is changing from a more oil base to more butter base, slowly but surely. The more you mix, the more creamier it'll become. Now this picture is what our products look like before in jarring. You can see the difference in consistency. Now this is how we jar it. I like to spread some of the butter along the walls of the container just to avoid air pockets in the jar. Then stuff the butter into the jar with a spoon, packing it into the container. Now this is what it looks like after we stuff it.